Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Maintaining your Dyson HD hairdryer is crucial for ensuring its longevity and performance. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components and clean the device effectively. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer. Safety is paramount, so always ensure it is disconnected from any power source before starting maintenance. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Remember, there are typically 4 screws, so keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently detach the back cover of the hairdryer. This will expose the internal components, including the fan and heating element. Inspect these parts for any dust or debris buildup. Over time, hairdryers can accumulate lint and dust, which can affect performance. Using the soft brush, carefully clean around the fan and heating element. This step is vital as it helps maintain airflow and prevents overheating. If you notice significant buildup, consider using a slightly dampened microfiber cloth to wipe down the areas. Ensure that no moisture gets into the electrical components. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Place the back cover back onto the device and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling during use. Now that your Dyson HD hairdryer is clean and reassembled, it's essential to consider professional maintenance. If you don't have the tools or time to perform this maintenance yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Our team provides a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your hairdryer receives the care it needs. Before you decide on repairs, we provide a quote before any work is done, so you know exactly what to expect. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making it easier for you to maintain your device without any stress. Finally, perform a quick test by plugging in your hairdryer and turning it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper airflow. If everything seems normal, you have successfully completed the maintenance. In conclusion, regular cleaning and maintenance of your Dyson HD hairdryer not only prolongs its lifespan but also keeps it performing at its best. Don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services if you need assistance. We're here to help you keep your hairdryer in top condition, seamlessly fitting into your busy lifestyle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.